So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today with me I have Crompton Greaves High Breeze 1200 here. As you can see, 48-inch ceiling fan in white color. So this is my hostel room here. So I'm not able to upload videos because of this thing. I'm staying in the hostel, so whatever might be. So then the fan here. I guess you've seen the previous condition. The previous video was about this fan itself. It was in a very bad condition. Now it's been a month or so since I've cleaned this. So here's the fan as you've seen. Needs a little dusty, needs some more cleaning. So whatever. Let me just show you around the fan and I'll do a brief review of this. So you can see here the condition is not so great. Very bad. You can see the paint chipping. Blades are in a good condition. To whatever you can see the fading. Upper canopy has started fading. Lower is fine. And then the lower is loose fit. This rod, this old using tape. You can see it's still having the original capacitor standard. I guess this is some 2.50 microfarad and 012 1201 means November 2001. Wait, let me show you the label also. I guess the label was somewhere. Wait, no label? That's not gonna happen. Wait, so this is the label here. Okay. So is the is the label missing? No. Let's just see. What the? Oh, nice. Crompton Greaves high efficiency. So this is a 50-watt power saving model. So let me explain this new term which arises here. So this is a Crompton Greaves high efficiency. Wow. So that's a rare one. So Crompton Greaves high efficiency is actually a power saving model, or you may say in today's terms a PE model, extinct model. So that would be a 50 watt. So this is a 50-watt fan, and the air delivery or the air in cubic meter per minute of this fan will be 210 or 215 max, because the angles of the blade are also less, and this is a 50-watt motor. So that's the thing here, and the normal high breeze would be 70 watts. So good one, Crompton Greaves. So last time I guess I showed you all speeds, so I'm not gonna be doing it. I'm directly starting it on speed 5. The bearings are like in a okayish condition. Sometimes they make noise and sometimes they don't. So I may or may not be able to show you. I don't know about it, but let's just start the fan on speed 5 obviously. Slow start. So the capacitor needs a replacement on a later basis obviously. You can see the fan to full speed. So this is the RPM is around 310 or something. That's because of the bad capacitor, needs a replacement soon. You can see in the middle paint chipping. The motor is not in a good condition, that's for sure. But the fan has been serviced till now, and according to the condition of the bearings, I think the grease is a bit dried up. That's what's messing, making those slight grinding noises. But I guess this fan will stay for another, for I think for some more time or something. I don't know. So whatever. So this is a fan here, as you can see. Very good fan by Crompton Greaves, still giving service. So whatever might be the case, so this is the fan over here, as you can see. So guys, let's just see the spin down. It's considerably okay. So guys, this is the fan as you saw. So it's in a considerably good condition. Whatever might be. So guys, this is the fan over here. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon.